Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to identify font used in any design on Canva. So guys, for example, I have this image. I want to know this font, as you can see here on the screen. This is font. I want to know this font. What you have to do, guys, just click edit, as you can see here, and click on you have Magic Studio and click this option, grab text. Click this grab text and click text, all text here, and click grab. As you can see here, wait to loading this. As you can see here, this is text name font. As you can see here, this is the document font. The font one, guys, this font on a part of Dubai. This is the font, and this small later, guys, this is the font. As you can see here, this is how you can identify any font, guys, on design of any design, guys, on Canva, and you can use any image with font to identify this font. I hope this video helpful for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.